Once upon a time there was a boy named Hansel and a girl named Gretel, who lived with their father, who was a woodcutter, and their stepmother. Hansel and Gretel's parents were very poor and could barely afford to feed the family. Eventually there was only one loaf of bread left in the house. The stepmother did not want to share the loaf with Hansel and Gretel. She said to the father, "If we give them a bread, there will be none left for ourselves, and we will all die. It's better to get rid of the children so that we can live." The father loved his children very much and did not want to abandon his children.